While some of us can grow to enjoy life's chaotic chops and changes, for sales teams, predictable revenue stability is where it's at. While predictability may be the end goal, landing new deals is not exactly a walk in the park. In fact, some may say it's never been harder. Thankfully, the new age is making lives easier for sales reps to boost their productivity, make better decisions, and basically get stuff done. Want to find out how? Listen in as we look at the 7 stages of a typical sales funnel and pit it up with an online sales tool that will act as a guaranteed life changer for prospecting at each stage of the sales pipeline without breaking the bank. Hi guys, it's Liv here from Neighborhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. Before you can make a sale, you need to find someone to sell to. While lead generation can be somewhat of a nuanced business, there are a growing number of lead generation tools on the market that can help take the effort out of the equation on your end and crank up the results from their end. The answer? Look no further than Sales Navigator by LinkedIn. It costs just $80 per month, and you get access to LinkedIn's database of 700 million active users. Best of all, you can filter their data to find your perfect match. Proper lead research is time-consuming. It requires multiple tools and extensive labor investment. You can cut your lead generation costs by over 80% by working with a list-building company that specializes in B2B lead research and outreach. Once you've found your people, it's time to contact them. The right way to do this is with a specialized outreach tool. But there's no point sending your message by pigeon. You need an outreach solution that will automatically follow up with prospects and also recognize when a prospect has responded. The best email outreach tool for small businesses is PersistIQ. It's designed so you can easily craft highly customizable emails and go way beyond standard fields like first name. Instead, you can improve the whole customer experience by customizing entire sentences so your prospects know that you've done your research. PersistIQ has a robust free tier, and the lowest pay tier is hands down the best value in the industry. Comparatively, expensive outreach tools typically do have increased functionality, but only a minority of users require an expansive toolset. Now that you've got a steady stream of new sales leads coming in, it's time for your teams to get organized. And for that, you need a customer relationship management tool, or CRM. A CRM is a place to house all your contacts and tells you at a glance where they are in your sales cycle. More than just a list of people, a good CRM makes it easy to spot leads or deals that require your attention. As well as this, it enables sales teams to optimize their sales efforts and overall process. One of the most popular CRMs for small businesses is Pipedrive. It's set up as a highly intuitive Kanban board. As prospects progress towards closing, you can move their status card across multiple stages from left to right. The highly visual reporting helps sales managers know exactly what the big picture looks like at any point in time, giving them the insight they need to make phone calls, send a bunch of messages, set up a meeting, or note down tasks. It's important to note though that nothing replaces a full-featured CRM like HubSpot. But if you only have a small number of potential customers, then you can temporarily use a Kanban-style tool to help keep track of sales. Now that your CRM has you tunnel visioning only the cream of the crop, your door should be getting beaten down with requests for proposals. But what's the best way to create and manage a professional proposal? And how do you get your offer signed off easily? In meeting these goals, consider using proposal software like Proposify. Proposify makes it easy to create visually appealing proposals with lots of customizable templates. And when your client is ready to proceed, they can just sign the document in a legally binding way, all while saving paper and making the process easier for everyone involved. Proposify does have a free trial, so test it rigorously to see if it integrates well with your process. You don't want to find out that the payment systems don't connect in your country after you've sent a real proposal. For sales reps, waiting for a document to get signed is a part of their job they'd rather speed up. But why does it cause so much anxiety? Because a lot of the time, it's entirely out of their control. They can wait days, weeks, or even months for a client to find time to print out an agreement, sign it, and post it back for processing. But fortunately, those days are behind you with the advent of sales technology. With a handy signing tool, your customers can click on a link in an email, review your document, and sign. It only takes a minute or two, and electronic signatures are legally binding in most jurisdictions. There are lots of signing tools on the market with limited differentiation for regular users. But if you're looking for a simple signature tool, try out DigiSigner. You can upload template documents and send prospects a link for signing. The process is dead easy for all parties, and everyone can get a copy of the document as needed. DigiSigner also recognizes the importance of brand consistency. You can add your company logo to both the web interface and emails sent on your behalf. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos delivered every single week to your inbox. The last sales tool you'll need to throw in the mix Analytics is an all-important data dashboard that will seamlessly integrate your marketing and sales data and show you how your revenue generation efforts are performing for your company. Databox is the OG for business analytics. No need to log into a bunch of different tools just to see how you're stacking up. With Databox, you can view all of your performance data in one place, so you can spend less time doing the numbers and more time acting on insights. So while the sales profession is arguably harder and more competitive than it's ever been, sales technology has been keeping up the pace. The 7 sales tools we've discussed are equally as innovative and affordable for almost any organization, small or global. When used to their maximum capacity, they're guaranteed to put all important and well-missed time back in your day, from the beginning of your search for prospects right through to close. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone that you know that needs a hand with their sales process. You can also subscribe to our blog, where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighborhood does. But for now, that's it from me. Happy selling.